What is it?
It's Christmas.
Good morning.
Wow! This is awesome! I haven't seen this in a couple years.
What?
You excited? What do you think's in all those presents?
Is that my Spider-Man game in there?
What is this?
Wow, that's a blue Jeep. That's a
You
car.
asked for a blue Jeep for Christmas? And you think that's what's in this big thing?
Yeah.
That makes sense. What do you think, Papa?
I don't know.
It is a blue Jeep. You have to feel it.
Blue one? Sure it's blue?
Yeah. I feel it.
Alright. Well, we want to get to opening presents?
Yeah. Let's open this present.
Well, let's get your brother down.
Hey, Mom, is this my Spider-Man game?
I don't know. Could be. Why don't you open it and see?
Does it say Brendan on it?
Yeah. That's B-R-E-N-D-A-N.
Lincoln? You think there's a Jeep in there too, Lincoln?
Okay. That's on top. Mom is stuck. Yeah.
Gotta tear it open, silly.
It is my Spider-Man game. Yeah, I got the Spider-Man game on the wall.
Well, that is
Wow, I got my Spider-Man game back. Back.
What do you mean back? I've never seen you have it before.
It was in a present. I got it from the mall.
Oh, that must be the present that you picked up with Mama, but from a bunch of something that you don't know.
And then for that, this is for Brevin. Maybe I can open the blue Jeep. This is weird. Wow, that's big wheels. Wow, and a blue Jeep.
No kidding. You asked Santa for a blue Jeep and you got one?
Yeah.
Lucky dog.
And it's real. It's when you drive around. Really? Wow!
Oh my goodness. Oh, wow.
Did that?
Don't run over your brother.